I walked in my kitchen earlier and I seen a tragic sight. The dreaded banana. The banana! There's two things with that. When you see that banana and you know it's time to say goodbye to that banana. But we don't say goodbye to bananas like that in this house. So I'm going to show you why the toaster broke up with the banana bread. He said it got too crumbly. Banana gold, okay? I literally just made the banana split. Somebody at my window. Anyways, so I'm going to show you how to make banana bread easily with cake mix. We're using that one. This is a perfect moist spice cake. I'm going to show you how to make it extra moist. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And we're going to get into this. It's going to be fast and easy. Okay, I'm going to hold on to this. I'm just going to throw it dramatically over my head. I got kids. They're not even in here. It still hit them. So, cake mix into the bowl. Into the bowl. 3 eggs. I got some bananas in a bowl. Got my 3 eggs. Uno, dos, and tres. Bam. Wham, bam, wham. Alright. Then we're going to need 1/3 cup of the banana's best friend, vegetables. But an oil version of it. 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Okay. Vegetable oil. Now we're going to need 1 1/4 cups of bananas. Or whatever you got on hand. But you're going to need some bananas. You can't just, you need some bananas. Need a few anyways. So we're going to take our bananas and we're just going to mash them. Okay. We want to make sure they're good and mashed. Not the TV show MASH. What were you doing? Something you shouldn't be doing? Okay. I'm sorry about that. It hurts. Just gonna start mixing that in. I'm also gonna add in a little bit of sour cream. 1/3 cup exactly. So I'm just gonna give this a little whisk. You need this? Good, sissy. So I like to always I just like to fold it in, make sure everything is nice and put in together. And then I got a bag of chocolate chips here for a reason. Corner. Cut. Sprinkle. That should be a good amount of chocolate chips. And I'm just going to mix it in. I love chocolate chip banana bread. It is just so good, so delicious. This is a fancy one. We got to be extra careful with it to not break. If we break it, I die. It's my wife's. And you can tell it's hers because she loves the white and the blue stuff. This was her grandma's. Okay. So I sprayed down my bread pan. Did you have dance tonight? And did you dance? I saw you go through the little tunnel. Have a few more of these chocolates. The chocolates and chips. All right. It's that simple. It's that simple. Now we're going to go into the oven, 350 degrees, until it's done. Look at the bread. That's bread. Mmm. Mmm. Bread. Now, I know the very first thing you want to do is cut into it. There ain't nothing better than some hot, warm bread. But don't do it yet. Ain't that right, Jerry? The best way to do it is to let it sit and cool for a little bit. And then we'll cut into it here in a little bit. Welcome to YouTube After Dark. It's dark outside. Kids are asleep. I wanted bread. I've been waiting. It's been like 2.5 hours since the last clip. So, the bread should be good. So, I'm very excited about cutting into this. Oof. Look at that. Moist, very moist. So here is the bread. You can see the chocolate chips on the banana. Oh, look at that. Look at that. The loaf. That just looks absolutely phenomenal. That's good chocolate chip banana bread. So y'all, I'm gonna sit here in the quietness and drink some chocolate milk out of my Shrek glass and eat a piece of banana bread. Y'all, go to bed. I love you. Tell your kids, tell somebody else you love them. Share kindness. It doesn't cost anything to be nice to somebody. Just remember that. It doesn't cost a dime to be nice to somebody. It don't cost nothing to be mean to nobody neither. But be kind. Have a good night. Love you. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. It's going to be an interesting next one.